Hey, do you like the Morning Jog series? Do you want to watch more of it? Click this link right here. It'll be more of me, more info, more news. Maybe a laugh. Hi folks, Alex Klingelhoeffer here with Exencial Wealth Advisors. It's 7:51 here in the middle part of the country. It is Wednesday, May 26, 2021. Here's your morning jog around the economic headlines of the world. The Republican Party is planning to send President Biden a $1 trillion infrastructure counteroffer this week. Of course, earlier this week, Republicans said they would not include any of the soft infrastructure or human infrastructure that Biden originally put in his $1.7 trillion package. Republicans are really trying to stay underneath that $1 trillion mark to send a message that they're being good fiscal conservatives. We'll see if they can make a deal. Right now, it seems like the sides are very far apart. Royal Caribbean had a test sailing just yesterday. It's a mock test sail. They say they're going to be able to guarantee 98% of their crew is fully vaccinated, 95% of passengers fully vaccinated, and quite frankly, it sounds like they're fully booked or close to that for their original sailings. Looks like they're going to start as early as August, getting back in the water. Norwegian as well, making some progress as the cruise industry gets back on track. Of course, that's really the hub of what is the worst case scenario. Where could coronavirus spread most effectively? And they're getting back to business. I can't see why the great reopening trade is not going to be a tremendous success. We're really seeing case rates come down below 10,000 across the U.S. and cruise ships, getting back to sailing should be a tremendous benefit to the economy. Fintech app Klarna, I think I have that right, is starting a new tech hub in Madrid. Klarna, it's an interesting name. It's one of the fintech names that we have found to be reasonably interesting on a go-forward basis. Still private at this point, but it's a buy now, pay later app for folks. So you can split your purchase into 4 payments over time. It's really one of the more revolutionary apps because as opposed to credit cards charging interest, they just split your payment over 4 times and sort of charge fees to businesses for the ability to do that. And that's how they sort of shift that cost burden back to the businesses, but businesses end up making more sales. They end up having higher ticket charges. Sort of works for everybody. Klarna, fintech, keep an eye on them. Last but not least, before we set you off to a good Wednesday, GameStop and AMC up Tuesday. Let me show you here in the pre-market. GameStop up another 12% to 234. Let me show you AMC real quick. It is up 17.85 here in the pre-market. Again, and I've said this time and time again, and here's why, even if it's just in your risky account, even if it's just in your sort of play money, hey, I don't care if I lose an account. Here's what the market cap is, right? Down here, it's, in 19, these companies were $1 billion. Big companies, but still, just $1 billion. Now, AMC's 8, it's going to be $10 billion when the market opens today. It's going to be a $10 billion company. Discord, right? Microsoft's thinking about buying $10 billion company. Oatly, I guess, is going to be a $10 billion company. Maybe I need to reevaluate what $10 billion buys these days. AMC, trading higher than it. Let me go back in the chart. It's really trading higher than it's done in a decade on much lower volume and sales. If you want some additional information throughout the week, feel free to follow me on Twitter. It's OKC, CFA, CFP. Until then, I'm out. Hey, thanks for watching the morning jog. I appreciate it. If you did enjoy the video, why don't you click down here, subscribe, and you'll get to see me every day, whether you jog or not. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you have something you want to hear me talk about, we got a comment section down below. Why don't you click there, write something, and maybe we'll feature it tomorrow. Thanks.